The key to developing a good meditation practice is getting good at noticing when your thoughts go off track and pulling yourself back in. So it's like, yeah, I'll have the odd, like, what's the noise? When's the postman come in? Oh my God, I still haven't paid my tax bill. It's the noticing it, but then like, no. Am I sitting here doing my taxes now? No. So do I need to be with it? No. Like, I'm here doing a video for you. I can let go of that. And it's the power of letting go. Like, yep, that needs to be done, but I don't need to think about it right now. I'll let go. Like, that can go to a different space in my mind. I can address that later. It's not criticizing yourself because you're having thoughts. It's all about acceptance. So meditation can be whatever you want meditation to be, but personally, I find it's a place where I can get to know me. And the more I know me, the more I can like me, the more I can accept me, and eventually the more I can love me.